Hi, I'm Dr. Speed from Upper Cervical Health Centers here in Dubuque, Iowa. And a lot of people don't really understand what upper cervical chiropractic is. It is totally different than the chiropractic that you see on TikTok or Instagram Reels or anything like that, where there's a big motion turning of the head. And a lot of times they just put microphones right by the spine to actually get those sounds. And they are satisfying to hear, but it doesn't necessarily mean that a true neurological change has happened. And you notice how I say neurological. Upper cervical care really focuses on the top two bones in your neck, your atlas and your atlas. These two bones house your brainstem in them. What we do is we do a very precise and gentle adjustment to the two bones after we have taken x-rays to know exactly what's truly going on and figure out the true misalignment down to a single millimeter of how that bone or bones need to be moved. After we take those x-rays, we do our analysis. We figure out what we can do to get those bones back into place, take the pressure off of the brainstem to allow your body to function the way that it's supposed to. We clear out the nervous system through these targeted adjustments so then it can function properly. Thus, it then leads to decreased symptoms, decreased pain, and a lot better spinal movement to allow your body to heal and to function the way that we're supposed to, instead of always having that crick in our neck, those headaches, the low back pain, the sciatica, just to name a few things that we've been able to help people with in the past.